I got my first iPhone, and it's an iPhone SE, and the color is rose gold, and I'm so happy today. Now we're gonna unbox it. And here's the phone. Now I'm gonna pick it carefully. And here's the phone. And the color is really nice. Now we're gonna take the plastic wrapper of the screen carefully, and the back as well. And the color looks like blushy gold and a little bit of gold and a hint of rose gold. And here's the front. Now we're gonna set my phone up and I will come back to you. And my phone is rebooted, but I forgot to mention that what things come inside the box. It comes with a SIM reductor tool, it's here, and it comes with the charger, and it comes with a headphone jack, and this is the cable, and you connect this with the plug, and then you can charge your phone. And I got a cute phone case, and it's a pink color, and it has a dog design, and this is the front, and this is the back of the phone case. Now I put my phone, my new iPhone, in my phone case, and this is how it looks like, and it's really cute. And thanks for watching.